This is the part number variations video for step number 22. It says if the part number you searched had periods or more than one part number, then you need to check all possible part number variations for the item. So I have an example over here. We're going to copy that title. Paste it over here. And we're going to keep all three of the part numbers that are in that title. We're going to copy the entire thing, Control find it. We only have one result. So now we're going to come up with our part number variations. Now part number variations are going to be written, it's going to be writing these three part numbers in three different spots, in three different orders, I guess, would be a better way of explaining it. So this is the exact same as that first one. What we're going to do is we're going to copy the number that was in front, delete it, and add it to the back. And we need to do that for however many part numbers there are. So I have three part numbers, so I'm going to copy this next one that I created, paste it down here, move that first part number to the back. So now we've got our three different variations of part number. And we're going to find them So for this first variation, we just get that first item. And so in our document, we would write 1, 0, now we're going to control find this, or we're going to find this second variation. We have 0. The third variation, again we have 0. So in that case, when we tested our variations and we didn't get a result, we know that there's not going to be anything written with the part numbers in this order. And so we can just delete them. We don't need to have them there. We don't need to record that we found 0, because then that would be 0 and 0 for both of those, and that's not important for our log here. And so all you would do in this case is have that first one, that first list of 3 in this order. Another variation option, if it's not multiple part numbers, because that was the multiple part numbers example, it's when it's written like this, with periods in the title, and then you would find this one, you get one result, that's recorded already, but you would have 1 and 0, and then the second variation of this would be without the periods. So you would remove all periods, and then find it that way. See if we get anything from that. And you get 0. So then again it would be 0 and 0, which we don't need to have. And so that's how you would do the ones with periods. And so this is the part number variation example.